In today's world, occupational safety has become a critical concern. To ensure the safety of workers in any industry, it is defined as the process of safeguarding employees by providing a work environment free from potential sources of hazards that can result in injuries and illnesses. Let's take a few real-life examples to understand this definition better. Safety equipment such as helmets, gloves, and safety shoes are used in construction sites to protect workers from injuries caused by falling objects, sharp materials, or exposed electrical lines. Another example is the use of protective gear in hospitals where healthcare workers are at risk of being exposed to infectious diseases. Workers in industrial factories also face a range of hazards, such as exposure to chemicals, machinery, and loud noises. Therefore, implementing safety protocols will help reduce the likelihood of workers getting injured or suffering from ailments related to their occupation. Implementing occupational safety practices can result in improved productivity, cost, and save time by preventing accidents and ill health among employees, which can result in a significant monetary loss. Businesses can also comply with legal workplace regulations by implementing safety measures in the workplace, resulting in low or no penalties from the regulatory bodies. Now that you understand the significance of occupational safety, make sure to prioritize safety in your workplace, as it is important for both employers and employees. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest videos.